Hey guys, it's Melissa with Melissa Peterson Designs. I have my husband and son off work today. Technically they did just take off, but they still have time to swing around before they take off to go see my daughter. So Daniela, they're headed your way hopefully, but if not, I've warned them. I'm doing my Facebook Live, and if you knock or whatever, you're going to be on there with me. So let me get this on the door real quick. Little stinkers. They've been telling me goodbye for the last hour. And then they keep coming back. There. They have been forewarned. So basically today I am just going to do some working on some thrift stuff I bought back before all this started, where we couldn't really do much of anything. My favorite thrift store is in Pella at the Well. I got these two items. This was like $3.28. And I got this item for $2.98. It looks like somebody actually spray painted this at once, because it has another sticker on there that's kind of got the gold on there. I'm just going to go back to basics. So I'm going to show you what I do to get a project cleaned. I have a bottle here. It technically has White Lightning in here, even though it says TSP. I started using White Lightning about a year and a half ago, and I still have my original container. For like my dresser, when I cleaned my dresser, I actually used a bucket. I think I put 2 tablespoons of this. Yeah, 2 heaping tablespoons in a bucket of water, warm water. And then you wash it down really good, and then you make sure to use clear water and rinse it off really good, because you don't want any of the residue on there. But for in a bottle like this, I just estimated, I put like a teaspoon in there and filled it up and shook it up really good. So I put this together a while ago. So I'm going to clean these really good and show you how I do that. Let me get the other sticker off. Oh, I did. So, and I've also got a bowl of clear water. So I'm just going to basically spray this down. I keep saying basically, I'm so sorry. I have my table prepped with like a liner underneath this drop cloth to protect my table. So, hi Tara, how are you doing, dear? So you really want to get these clean. So if you're going to do any crafting with these or painting on these, just think of everybody's hands being oily and dirty and picking that up. You don't want to paint a surface that has oils and dirt on there, because that's what your paint's going to stick to, which means your paint's not going to stick to your project. Hi Tara, how are the kiddos? So just spray it down really good. If you decide to do a bucket of water, just dip your rag into the water with the White Lightning and wash it down really good. Get inside the crevices. If you need to get like a Q-tip to get the small areas, that'll work too, because like that little that little area right in there, I might have a hard time reaching in there. So, but I use this on my dresser. I actually used a bucket of water with the White Lightning. So, hope you guys are having a great Friday. Hey, this is my last Friday for the April gifting challenge, so if you want to be in the drawing on Monday, make sure you like this video, share this video, sprinkle this video, I mean, and make sure you like my page, and then let me know that you did. Okay, so that one is wiped down. Let me go ahead and wipe this one down before I start rinsing. And this one has like a smooth surface, not really metal, and this one is like almost like MDF material. It's lightweight. It's a little bit rough along here. And I don't know if I'm going to spray paint these and then maybe stamp them later. I don't know what colors I'm going to go with yet, but I just wanted to get on here and prep them, because I'm going to have some time on my hands the next 4 weeks. So I'm going to get my requests done and do some of my personal projects. So, and these are going to be part of it. So I'm also getting the rough area really good. I might have to go back over that again also. Yeah, because like in the letters and the E, I think my finger's too fat. So I might have to get in there and, yeah, and like in here, I'll have to get in there with like a Q-tip, because there's no, even my pinky won't fit in there. So, but that shows you how to rinse them down with the White Lightning. Okay, and now I've got a separate clean rag. I'll dip it in the clean water. And then make sure you rinse it off really good, because you don't want any of that residue on there before you go to paint. Because if you got residue on there, that's what your paint's going to stick to, and then it's not going to stick to your project, and then you're going to have it flaking off. You don't want it flaking off. So, hey Mackenzie, hi Pamela, hi Tammy, hey Melissa. How are you guys doing? We're just kind of going back to basics. I got some stuff I got from a thrift store back before all this started. And I want to do something with them, even though I'm not ready yet to put them out. I'm still painting my house. So just rinse it off really good. If you have to do it twice, just to be on the safe side. But that way you're getting the oils and the dirt off from, like, when people pick it up to check it out. You know, you don't want to paint over something that's kind of dirty, even though if you can't see it, it's probably dirty. So that's it for that one. I don't know if you guys saw last year, I got wet hands. This is a small version, but I also have Dixie Belle Slick Stick, and I would do the same thing with this, because, you know, people pick it up, they got oils in their hands or whatever, and you'll want to make sure it's clean. But I've actually painted these for requests for people who wanted to use this for, like, the bigger versions, the like to autograph on for, like, graduation parties. Hopefully we'll have some of them this summer when things get opened up, hopefully. Also for a wedding. This is like a slick material like this is. So when I get done and finish cleaning that again, I'll probably do 2 coats of slick stick, and basically it helps to provide a place for your paint to adhere. So you just basically paint it on. What I did with these, when I did the bigger version, I would do 1 coat of slick stick on my letters, wait a day, do a 2nd coat, wait a day, and then I'd start painting the color that they requested. So, and these painted up really neat. So I'll probably end up, once I get done cleaning this up, I will do 2 coats of slick stick on here, I think, depending on what I decide to do. And I'm thinking about painting the same colors and maybe doing some, like, overall stamping on there, just to kind of make them kind of go together. I don't know, we'll see. So that is basically it for me today. Short and sweet. I'm not going to do that one yet. Oh, if you decide to join my gifting challenge, this won't be in here, but the stencil for this sign will be in the gifting challenge for Monday, and so will the stencil design for this Hello Sweet Cheeks. So I have 2 stencils for those signs, and I was thinking this morning how cute they'd be, like in a big sign, and have, you know, like in one little corner. I have that right. Have it like in one little corner, then you have the dead space, you know, a nice big sign, and have that in the bottom on one side, and then maybe have a matching sign and do the design on the other side. So for those of you that have bigger bathrooms than I do. So if you guys got any questions, let me know. Hope you guys have a great Friday, and I will see you on Monday. And Monday I will announce the giftee. So you guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.